Have you ever wondered what makes a dental chair so vital in a dental office? Well, it's not just a place to sit. A dental chair is indeed a specialized piece of equipment designed to provide comfort to patients and facilitate dental procedures. The dental chair serves multiple purposes. Beyond merely providing a place for patients to sit during dental examinations and treatments, it's adjustable in height, tilt, and recline, making it versatile for different procedures and ensuring the dentist has optimal access to the patient's mouth. A key feature of dental chairs is their control panel. This allows dentists to adjust chair settings easily, including chair height, backrest inclination, leg rest positioning, and sometimes even additional features like integrated lights and multimedia systems. Moreover, dental chairs often integrate with other dental equipment such as dental units, lights, and trays for holding instruments, making them a central hub for dental procedures. Hygiene is a crucial factor in dental offices, and dental chairs are no exception. Many modern chairs are designed with easy-to-clean surfaces to maintain proper hygiene. Some even come with disposable covers for added infection control. Moving on to maintenance, it's essential to conduct regular visual inspections to identify signs of wear, tear, or damage. Loose or damaged parts should be addressed promptly to ensure the chair's longevity and safety. Lubrication of moving parts, such as hinges and hydraulic components, is also crucial for smooth operation. Do this according to the manufacturer's recommendations to prolong the life of the chair. Electrical components, wiring, and connections require regular inspections as well. Promptly address any electrical issues and, if necessary, consult a qualified technician. Upholstery requires regular cleaning and disinfection to prevent the buildup of contaminants. Torn or damaged upholstery should be replaced or repaired to maintain patient comfort and hygiene standards. If the dental chair has a hydraulic system for adjustments, ensure that it is functioning correctly. Regular checks for hydraulic fluid leaks can prevent more significant issues down the line. It's also recommended to schedule periodic professional servicing by qualified technicians, following the manufacturer's guidelines for recommended service intervals. Last but not least, keep detailed records of all maintenance and repairs performed on the dental chair. Following the manufacturer's guidelines for documentation and maintenance procedures can ensure the chair remains in optimal condition. In summary, a dental chair is more than just a seat. It is a vital piece of equipment that ensures the comfort of patients and facilitates the work of dental professionals. With proper use, regular maintenance, and timely professional servicing, a dental chair can provide years of reliable service, ensuring the smooth operation of a dental office.